sold this trade 3 times, got a reasonable profit. We told you where the bounce was coming. The bounce happened, sold this trade 4 times, and the price is now dropping off very, very nicely off the high print. And it's just the same process over and over and over again, guys. So it isn't that difficult. It's not that difficult, guys. It's just a case of doing the work. Not paying across the spreads, because if I paid across the spreads, there would have been 2 losing trades in here. In other words, if I'd sold across the spread, for example, here, I'd have got stopped out for a pretty painful loss. If I'd crossed the spread in here and sold in here, I'd have got stopped out for another painful loss. These 2 winning trades wouldn't have made up for my losing trades. As it stands, I'm making a fortune. It's exactly the same 4 trades again, isn't it? Still exactly the same 4 trades that you might have taken. But because we were getting a good price and because we were getting the perfect lean, I'm making a fortune in these little shorts. You might be making a loss, and that's the difference between great traders, guys. It's your execution that's letting you down, not your trade, not your stories, not your value narratives, but your execution that's the problem. That's why we do the Monday Club exercises, so that you can work on how do I get into the best possible price? How do I make my stake pay in this trade at the best possible price? And by getting the best possible price, you're in with a chance even if the price doesn't work for you, like these 2 sells prior. I never lost any money on those 2 sells prior. And yet here I am at the very, very top edge of the market, literally 1 or 2 ticks off the high of the day. And I'm making a very, very substantial amount of money on a 15 lot contract. It's $2,800 up at the moment on a 15 lot. And I'm watching to see the value develop, see if it's going to develop and roll back down again, in which case, if it doesn't, I'll just start bringing in those sell orders into profit and close out some of them. If it does develop to the downside, I'll leave the 15 contracts in place and let the price roll round behind it. And I'll maybe make $5,000 or $6,000. The point is, I wouldn't be making anything if I screwed up my entry price on this sell and this sell here. Massive, massive difference in your profit and loss just because of your crap execution. You probably never thought about it that way before. But the difference between the vast majority of winning traders and losing traders is execution.